Greetings everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to disable comments on Shopify blog. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So you can head over to your online store and then you can click on customize. So let's just say you have a blogs section like I have here, and if I simply head over to that, you will be able to see that we have various blogs in here, and usually there's a comments section, but the easiest way to prohibit people to just say to comment onto our blogs is simply removing them, like I have done. So you can add this particular section, which is, you can say we have blogs in here, blog posts, and you can incorporate that. And if people do click on any of these blogs, apparently you can also head over to your settings. We have blog cards, and you can see we have all these settings, and in the media we have different media. So yeah, that's how easily you can disable people to comment on the blogs. Just incorporate elements that do not support comments. So that is pretty much it for this video, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.